We want to place the front of the wig at the hairline, and we'll tuck the comb into your hair in the front. Pull it around so that it's evenly placed over your ears. There are two little points over here on either side of the head, so they have to be placed evenly. If it's higher or lower, the wig is not going to be sitting straight on your head. So we take the wig over here, put it around there, and make sure to pull it all the way back down and tuck whatever hair you have in underneath. Once we've got it on, we want to make sure that the wig is, again, even. You can treat it like your hair at that point in time. You can brush up the layers, brush up the bangs, just hold it in place so it doesn't slip off. And you can just style it, brush it into place and style it as you wish. Certain things that we have to be careful with. It is hair, so you can treat it like hair. Like hair, you don't want to damage by using excessive heat in one area. So while it is safe to use a blow dryer on the hair, on your wig, as you would your hair, it is important not to use direct heat on the too close to the scalp of the wig. The white scalp here is very sensitive material, and if you apply direct heat on it too intensely, it will create a hole or burn hole in the net. So be careful when you're using a blow dryer, keep it a little bit of a distance away and keep moving it around. Don't keep it in one spot very close to the scalp. Otherwise it could be treated like regular hair and you can blow it and style it. Now we want to style the wig. We can use hot tools like curling irons or as you would your hair as well. Again, not to use it too close to the scalp, but anywhere in the wig. If you wanted to set the wig and create some kind of a curl, just treat it like a regular curling iron. So your wig is versatile and it could do many different things. So you can go from curly to slightly wavy to straight. Use the same tools as you use in your hair, just be careful. So we have different styling options with the wigs, being that they've got a multi-directional part. So anywhere in the white area of the skin top, which is about 4 inches by 5 inches long, you can create a part wherever you like. If one day you want to do a middle part, just spray it gently. We can part in whatever direction feels most comfortable. Just with a little water, blow dryer, a brush, you can style it the way you want. In terms of any kind of product that you can use on the wig, you can use the same products as you would your hair. If you want to use a little bit of hairspray to keep it in place, you're going up, just use a light hairspray from a little distance and put it into place. If you feel like the wig needs a little moisturizing, use a little bit of something like Moroccan oil or this leave-in conditioner. Put a little bit over your hands and work the ends through. If it's a little bit flyaway, if it's a little bit staticky, just put a little bit on your hands and work it through the hair so it calms it down and settles it. So you've got your wig, it's going to be clean, it's going to be beautiful, and you want to be able to replicate that. So first of all, your wig has to be washed every, I'd say 3 to 4 weeks. It also depends on how often you wear it, how oily your skin is, what else is going on in your day-to-day life. But as general wear, if you're wearing it a couple of hours a day, you probably don't have to wash it more than every 4 weeks, 4 to 5 weeks. And we'll show you how to wash it. Use lukewarm to cool water when washing the wig. I do it on the head. Do not use a scrubbing, lathering motion. Just work the hair smoothly in one direction from the top down. I'm going to take shampoo, put a little bit on my hands, rub my hands together and place it all over the wig. I want to work in the bangs, again, using one smooth motion going from the top down. Okay, I want to get some of the shampoo underneath. Now it's a good idea to use a color-corrected shampoo so that there's not too much ammonia or too many strong chemicals in the shampoo. And I'm going to wash out all the shampoo. I'm going to squeeze out the excess water. Now it's important not to put the conditioner directly on the white scalp. It loosens the knots and makes the hair fall out. So we're going to be careful to put it more towards the ends. Now even though the wig is on the head, the net inside will get clean with the shampoo and the conditioner going through it. Now be careful that the water shouldn't be too hot. It's not good for the hair or for the wig, but it should be nice and warm. Squeeze out the excess water. I could take the wig and just towel dry it gently and let it dry on the head. If you can wait a couple of, like an hour or so the wig gets dry naturally and then you can style it, it's always better. I've got my wig and I love it, but there's just a couple of hairs that are a little bit too long and I would like to trim them, but do I do it myself? Definitely not. Remember, hair does not grow back. So we prefer that if you want to, take it to a professional hairdresser. And if you need some minimal changes, the bangs are a little bit long, take it to a professional hairdresser so they could just tweak it a little bit, take a little bit of the bang and trim it a little bit, or if you want to take a little bit off the length, do that very carefully. What I will do when I take it off so that it's just neat, I'll just brush it at the end of the day, brush it from underneath so it's nice and smooth, just get the style back into it. It's gotten a little bit messy during the day. And place it on the side on the head. And we have these pins that you can secure into the net. Very important not to put the pins again on the white scalp. If you want to be able to kind of set the bangs so that they don't fall too much in your face, or if you want them to go to the side, put another pin in there.